Hello guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how to add more than one photo on one Facebook story with music on it. So here, I've already on the Facebook app and I'm going to just start by clicking on the create story. Then just select the photos that you want to add to your story. First, click on the select multiple. Then in here, just choose the photo that you want to update. Click on next. And here, click on the photo collage. Okay, as you can see now, the photo that I added is more than one. There are two photos like this. You can just adjust the position, and you can also change the background if you want. Okay, you can just click on the background and choose the background that you want. And to add the music, click on the music icon in here. Then search for the music or artist that you want. Okay, I'm going to just add this. Okay, I'm going to change the... Okay, it will go like this. And then that's it. You can just click on share now. Okay everyone, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there. And also remember to leave a comment and click on the thanks. Thank you.